What's up, guys? It's Travis Bay. We are down at Kentucky Dam. We're going to do a little bit of fishing out here. Hopefully going to catch some big fish. Oh, we're open. But if we can just catch some fish, that would be bonus to this. We both got some poles here. I also have my bow, so in case we want to shoot some fish, we might do that as well. But let's get out here and see what we can do, guys. There we go. Oh no, he spit it out. Oh, he broke it. Hey, he broke that bottom one. Yeah. Huh. Yeah. I literally landed right beside it. Oh no! Why did I do that?
Under the rocks.
No! Up there we go. I'm going down. Jordan's rolling in backwards. Hope a big guard is like comes up and grabs his line. I hope a big guard comes up and grabs your line while you're reeling in backwards. Oh. I may have hooked a pole there, I'm not sure. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Huh? Got a little skipjack. Or shiner. I think it's skipjack. Yeah. Yeah. You want to see him?
Yeah, I'm coming to see him. Don't throw him back yet. Okay. Cool, I see him. Better throw him back. Going back now. Give us some help.
Yeah, that thing. She's a pro. Oh, are you?
Yeah.
Jackie says she's a pro at untangling these, so I'm gonna let her see if she can figure it out. There she goes. Oh, look at there. Oh. Oh. There it is.
Okay.
Nice.
one.
Well done.
Didn't even hang myself that time.
Alright. I don't seem to be doing a whole lot of good on the jigs, so I'm gonna change it up. And let you borrow a little bit of live bait with us. And we'll see how that does down here. So Jackie's fishing right now. I think she's using a chatterbait. I had on my other line. How you doing, Jordan? Been spinning around? You doing any good, Jackie? No. Me neither. I'm more tired than I am anything now. Too far. Well, it's not too far, but for a quick shot, I need it to be a little closer. Oh! Oh, did you lose it? Oh, yeah. Oh. Huh? I was about to. I saw it jump. I didn't know it was on your line. I got it. I didn't know what it was. I was just like, oh crap, there's a fish right there. I should shoot it. I was like, oh wait, that's on your line. I better not shoot it. Alright, here we go. Alright guys, we're gonna go down here and do a little bow fishing. There's a lot of carp moving. Yeah, I did. I haven't shot in like forever, so I'm probably not gonna be a good shot, guys. Yeah, man. Probably hiding underneath all the dead fish. We're out above them. I'm losing my visibility here. All the scum on top of the water. It's probably dead fish guts. It's so nasty here. Look at all the dead fish. Like, that whole corner over there, guys, is nothing but dead fish. It's absolutely disgusting. Huh? Right there? Yeah, the injured one. Get him. Get him. There you go. He was too easy of a shot. He was half dead. Oh my gosh. Worse. He's a big old boy though. Huh? Oh well, he's not. My God, dude. I got him. I got him. Barely, but I got him.
Big guy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I got it.
Oh, that works.
I forgot.
Guys, drop us a thumbs up or drop us a comment if you like seeing us go out here and bow fish a little bit. If you want to see more of this, we'd be more than happy to do it. I mean, I enjoy it. Jordan's not currently set up with a bow, but I'm sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we could convince him to get one. Headshot. Headshot.
RIP, dude. Hey, excuse me.
There's one right out there. See him? So you can shoot him. Wow.
That was way left.
What's up guys, Trav J. We are going to close out our day. We did lost fishing, did a little bit of bow fishing, and didn't catch a whole lot, but we had a pretty good time out here fishing and shooting some fish, so it was enjoyable, I think.
It was fun. It was a nice day, so can't complain. Wish I caught some fish, but I'm used to it now.
But like I said, we're gonna go ahead and close out. I think our next video, I'm really wanting to try to do some more magnet fishing. We got a new magnet that seemed more powerful than our last one, so hopefully get out there and see if we can do some stuff. But until next time guys, keep it real.